What's going on, guys? It's Connor from M Creek Renovations, and we are clocking into the night shift. This is episode 9. If you're new to the channel, I started this night shift series working from 9 to 5 for my regular job, and then clocking into the night shift is from 5 to 9, working on our fixer-upper that me and my wife have spent the past 2 years trying to renovate. Tonight, I want to seal the bathroom walls. I bought this Surecrete sealer. It's a 2-part sealer. We're going to waterproof and seal the cement on the walls, and then I'm going to show you guys a kitchen update. On Saturday, I had my buddy Dylan come over and we knocked out a ton of stuff. We're so close to moving in. It's pretty exciting, but make sure you stay tuned to the very end and I'll walk through everything done in the kitchen so far. To seal the concrete in our bathroom, I'm going to be using this Surecrete. It's a 2-part system, part A, and then you have part B. The directions call for 3 parts A to 2 parts B, and then we're going to stir it for about 3 minutes. Now I got my concoction. I'm gonna come up, mix it for about 3 minutes. Now the timer's up. I'm gonna add 1 part of the mix and then 7 parts of water. I'm just gonna put it right into the paint pan. I'm gonna use this foam roller, start mixing it up, and apply it as I go. This is just a prime coat. We're gonna do 3 coats overall, and by the 3rd coat, it should be completely waterproof ready. This stuff doesn't really smell as bad as I thought. Stuff's going on really easy. It's nice because it'll change color as you go, so you don't end up hitting the same place twice. Almost gives it like this wet look when the sealer's actually on it. So if you remember what the old bathroom looked like, it was actually finished with tile. And we came back and put over this micro cement. It was a lot of trial and error, but definitely looks cool. It's definitely different. Hopefully, I've never done something like this, so hopefully it lasts. It gives it that grease look, kind of like something like that is the vibe I'm getting off this bathroom, especially with the wood accent panels. I'll show you that I did, but overall this bathroom's coming along. I just really hope it's worth it. We spent a lot of time. It's not so much money, it's definitely a cheaper option than going with tile, but it does take a lot of time to install it with the multiple coats and the finishes and the sealer, and definitely not as quick as tile, but it's about 1/4 the price of tile. Claire just pulled up and walked into the kitchen. I want to get her reaction because she hasn't seen any of the faucet hookups, dishwasher hookup, reverse osmosis, all that stuff. So let's go get her reaction.
This is red. Will it go? Oh my gosh, the drain is working. Oh, can I lift that up? Oh my gosh, that is so rich. Look, and this literally matches so good. This is so big. But having this, man, I'm so glad I decided that.
But there's the reverse osmosis system below. Claire picked out a nice matching faucet to go with it. Pour me up.
Whoa! Oh no! What? Maybe because we haven't run it yet?
The second coat's getting a little bit hard to see. That prime coat acted as the first seal, so then when you're going back over, it's just gonna continue to waterproof, so you're not gonna see that dark contrast versus the wet because it's not absorbing it. So it must be doing its job. You just wanna be extra careful and make sure that everywhere is coated right. All right, guys, that's all we got going on for tonight. We were able to put on 2 coats, the prime coat and the first coat of the Surecrete concrete sealer. I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow. You wait about 12 hours, hit the walls with 220 grit, and then do another 2nd coat and then the 3rd final coat. And they're all the same ratio. The first prime coat was a 7-to-1 ratio. Every coat after that is just a 2-to-1, 2-part water to 1-part mix. And then I can finally put on the faucet, the shower head, and this whole thing will just really start coming together. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. I'm out of here, and I'll see you on the next one.